some action. Sexy. Okay, cool. Let's carry on.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know what to say. Guys, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please dislike, leave bad comments, just say anything. Help us improve this channel. So today we just need to make a bit of order. I'm going to create a bit of order here today so that I can get this engine one here onto that chassis over there. So this one needs to go out of here. That one can move forward, this one can move forward this way towards us, and then we can get some space over there. And with that, my tools are scattered all over. We need to sort shit out. I'm moving shit around and it doesn't look like I'm making progress, but
kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
We can make an impact, grab and then take it.
quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Check, we're making progress for a change. Thumbs up, guys, thumbs up, please.
Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it bluff. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it bluff. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it bluff. Hey, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it bluff. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it bluff.
So that is it for today. Everything is up in the air, or getting up in the air, but we now have the engine nicely mounted. We still have to tie down this engine mount. That engine mount is on, gearbox is on, flywheel inside, clutch plate, pressure plate, release bearing, everything is looking okay in there. We've modified this cap, it's fitting lekker. It's got a brand new oil filter in there. We're moving forward. We're missing this hose. We're missing a fan belt. And we need to get the plugs in and sort the exhaust out. There you can see the clutch. So guys, we're moving forward. Keep tuned. Just before we go, the bottom of the sump. We never attempted to take the sump off or nor clean it. It's still that dirty. But we are just testing everything and fitting it, and everything's gonna come off again to get cleaned and sorted out. So until next time, next video, we need to sort these tires out. They need to get some air so we can push the chassis a lot easier. We're gonna fit the exhaust hopefully in the next video. And what else? I don't know. We'll see as we go along. Stay tuned guys, subscribe. Thank you very much. Good night.